Alright, so here I am, surrounded by complete nothingness on a backcountry road, and I wanted to, since it's my Mustang and I'm always the one driving it, I normally only hear it from the inside, but I wanted to make a little video to see how it actually sounded from the outside, because it's got a little bit of customization as far as the exhaust and stuff goes, so it does sound a bit different. So, I'm going to set this camera up right on here. Pinch it in there. Hope that has a halfway decent angle. Yeah. This is a GPS mount I'm putting it on, so I'm not sure how well this is really going to work. But the point of this video is audio, so we'll try it. And there it is, 96 Mustang GT. It's the GT, so it is the V8. Mostly stock, a few slight little mods here and there, but nothing too fancy.